In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace on Slack step by step. This is perfect if you're starting a new team, separating projects, or just want a clean workspace for a different purpose. Slack makes collaboration easy, but a lot of people don't realize how simple it is to create an entirely new workspace from an existing account. I'll walk you through the full process so you don't miss anything. And before we dive in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Slack, either on the desktop app or in your browser. Once you're inside Slack, look at the top left corner of the screen where you see your current workspace name. Go to any channel in your workspace, like your general channel, and then hover your mouse over the workspace name at the top left. When you do this, a menu will appear with several options related to your workspace and account. From this menu, look for the option that says Add a Workspace. Go ahead and click on Add a Workspace. This will open up a new set of options where Slack lets you either join an existing workspace or create a brand new one. Since we're setting up something new, click on the option that says Create a New Workspace. After clicking Create a New Workspace, Slack will redirect you to a setup page in your browser. Here, Slack will ask you to enter an email address. Type in the email address you want to use for this new workspace. This can be the same email you already use for Slack, or a different one if you prefer to keep things separate. Once you've entered the email address, click on the Continue button to move forward. Slack will now run a quick verification step to make sure you're not a robot. After that, Slack will send a verification code to the email address you entered. Open your email inbox, find the message from Slack, and copy the verification code. Then come back to the Slack setup page and paste the code into the required field. Once the code is verified, Slack will start creating your new workspace. At this point, your new workspace is essentially ready, but Slack may guide you through a few additional setup steps. This can include naming your workspace, choosing what the workspace is for, or inviting teammates. You can complete these steps right away, or skip them and handle everything later from inside Slack. After finishing or skipping the optional setup, you'll be taken directly into your brand new Slack workspace. You can now switch between your workspaces anytime using the Workspace switcher in the top left corner. And that's it. You've successfully created a new workspace on Slack. This is a great way to keep conversations organized, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Slack and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.